Okay, listen to me guys. Imagine going to a car show, nice clean Subarus, you know, all that shit. And then you get to a Mazda 3 sedan, flared, clean show car wrapped. And right beside it is a lifted Mazda 3 with bush flares and painted bed liner. That's what we're going for next year. What is going on guys? Today we got a brand new video. Bet you guys forgot about this old girl. It's been since April since I uninsured this, and now she's back. So you guys are probably like, yo, where's the rap video, man? And it's still working. They couldn't get it in this week. It's a little busy because we had a huge car show downtown, which I didn't put the car in because it wasn't ready, so I didn't want to. So I slapped plates on the OffRoad Mazda 3. If you guys are new to the channel, this is the OffRoad Mazda 3. I drove this last winter, and next year this is probably gonna be the daily. So I actually have been kind of enjoying driving this around in this area because the roads aren't that great and I can just drive everywhere. And when you got Jeep wheels, you can definitely drive everywhere. So today what we're gonna be doing is test fitting, because I don't have the lift in this yet and these probably won't work. So we're gonna test fit the Jeep wheels, maybe try and go for a drive on them. We'll see how it goes as we go, but you're gonna see some big ass Jeep wheels on this. I got these back in April. These are from a 98 Jeep YJ, or I think they were Grand Cherokee or Cherokee. These are on some old ass winter tires. I'm gonna replace these. So my idea was I'll use these Jeep wheels for my winter set. And then when I drive this in the summer, I'll get another set of wheels with like maybe kind of like KO2s or something a bit more aggressive than a winter tread, just to kind of give it that look. But we're gonna be test fitting these bad guys on. In order to do so, we have these are hub rings. So we are actually doing this properly. Like I said, we're getting this into preparation for the winter because I would like to have these on in the winter, which means I need to cut these fenders and paint this in bed liner. So bed liner paint will be happening before this, before my other Mazda 3 goes off the road for the winter. So I'm just getting everything ready to go and prepare this so I can start dailying it in the winter.
Don't worry. It's gonna get cut up. I'm not gonna let him limp out of this.
All right guys, so let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna lift up one side and test fit one side and we'll see how it works. Maybe I'll do the whole set. Okay, so guys, don't forget I'm doing Mazda 5 suspension. So on the ground up, we are at
3/4.
Yeah, 26, and we'll use number 3 as an example. 205, 55, 16. These are 215, 75, 15. Oh God, this is gonna be a big lift. OEM size would be 65, 15, but these are 75, 15. So a 10 plus aspect ratio of the tire and just a little bit wider. These wheel sizes, I think they're 15 by 7 if I'm not mistaken, and a big ass offset. Put the Nature's butt gloves on. That's a good idea. Dude, this is the first time I'm taking these wheels off and actually inspected this. One of my shock mounts are broken. Okay, well this shock, dude, this shock's blown. I'm taking 2 fingers, grabbing the lower control arm, and I can move the shock up and down. Yeah. So you guys seen here, this is why you buy hub rings. Because if I took this out, now my wheel doesn't sit flush on the hub, which means, you know what I'm saying? So,
wait, can you do that again?
No.
Yes.
I'm not doing that again.
Why?
I'm not doing that again. Now, we put these on the other Sedan, and because it was lowered, it was a really nice fitment. Heavy.
Bro, that's kind of a look.
Yo!
I thought you said you were gonna daily this.
Doesn't mean I can't send a straight pipe out that fender.
Hey.
Oh, it even looks better from the front. Time for spacers. Okay, look how cool that looks. Like, oh dude, that's such a difference. Wow. It almost makes it look like a drag car. The big ass meat. Oh my God, look how close it is to the mud flap. Dude, it's like lowered.
No, it's not lowered. It's definitely taller.
Oh, it definitely is.
Well, I mean, for quick comparison.
Dude, that's up in the air, man. That is sick.
Hold on, let's see if I can get.
I am so
Let me
stoked.
see if I can get the angle of the car right now. Yeah, you can definitely see. There you go. That's a good way to put it. Colton does off-road stuff for once. Look at his face. He's like, oh.
This is what this car was designed for. Why do you have to do this? You know how upset I was when that hole punched through? Don't do it. I have to drive around with that. Isn't this cool?
It is actually pretty cool. I like the way it looks.
We were at 23.7. 27, no, it was 27.3. Fucking rust everywhere now. God damn it. No, we were at 27.3.
Colton.
It was 27.3.
Okay.
I
Go
guarantee.
back and look at the footage.
Give me the camera. We'll be back. Okay, it was 26.3. I was just reading it wrong. So pretty much, almost, like pretty much there at 28.5. We went from here to 28.5.
Dude, this thing's tall now, man.
Yeah, 2 inches.
I wish that we could have Shaniqua next here for reference, side by side, because I feel like that would really contrast. Front poke, dude. All right, so let's go drive it.
I'm so down.
Let's go drive it. Keep going.
Oh my god, no way.
You just barely brushed the mud flap on this side. I'm telling you right now. Oh, you're definitely hitting something on the side. Let me check. Yeah, that's fine. So there's our rub marks.
Wow. Not bad. Okay, we're gonna take mud flaps off.
And then we're gonna go for a drive.
And then we're gonna try and drive it.
Something tells me you're touching a bumper.
That's right side.
Back up again. It's just the rear splash trade caught the tire.
Oh.
It'll stop making that noise in a few seconds. Dude, with this thing outside, hold on. This thing looks nuts now. Off-road. Yeah. Oh.
Does that have something to do with the brakes?
Huh?
That was.
Do it again. When you hit the brakes and the car died. Dude, this thing's so tall. Look at this clip right here. Oh yeah, look at this. Back's gone already. Told you. Self-clearancing. Oh, look, I found a piece of it on the ground.
Oh!
Look at all that ground clearance. Let's get some exhaust clip.
Yeah?
That was popping pretty good.
Yeah.
You gotta shoot some photos.
Okay, no problem.
So I'd say pretty successful. Sorry.
Still saying you just send it.
I'm not sending it. I have to daily this.
Those fender liners are not gonna last.
I'll put money on that. I'll put money on that.
Yeah?
I'll put money on that.
Oh my god. Oh. I can't drive around like that. Oh,
Are you sure? This is bearable. It's not bad. approved.
All right, guys, and she's back on the Steelies. Probably, we'll kind of slowly, gradually start getting to driving this again. It's insured, so it's on the road and it'll probably stay here until I don't want to drive the other sedan more, but the other sedans for wrap. Hopefully this week, so hopefully the next video is wrap. I'm hoping. Oh my God, so hey, first day out where it's like clear blue skies, you can actually see the sun. We're off the vac alert. Yeah, woohoo. So that's the video for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. You gotta turn on the post notifications. Yeah! I'll see you guys, if you keep it real, in the next one.
Later, dude.